This case has been filed. Take lordship with that. This case has been filed for listing of the interlocutory application. May be permitted to move it on Monday or Wednesday.
Where is it, Miss? Yes.
My lord, this matter relates to my lord, court number 14, my lord. This is regarding non-payment.
Mention when we are in a single bench.
Okay.
This is the statutory appeal maker. And the appeal has been preferred against the enjoined order dated
Conviction under
376, 25 years and 20,000.
your name?
M. Pandit.
N. Pandit.
M. Pandit.
You are not on record.
No.
M. Pandit on instruction of ALR, huh? Okay, admit. Call for the record. Okay. A become APP, state respondent. Steps for service of notice upon the respondent. 6 weeks for LCR as well as report on service. Admitting.
Item 2.
May I speak? In this case, trustee, my name has been inadvertently written as Sherdas. In the year 2022, 22nd August 22, when the matter was first time listed before the Honorable Justice N. Protector Singh and Honorable Justice S.P. Count. I had appeared in this case, but my name has been written as Sherdas. Thereafter, on the last occasion, I could not appear due to mixing the name. And the list
But
I
in
have,
the first order also ADAS is there.
as that is what in the list, list of panel advocate.
No problem. This paper book has been prepared.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sri J. Das, Learned Counsel submits that though he was appointed as the amicus by order dated 22/8/2022, inadvertently, his name has been reflected as ADAS. As a consequence thereof, he could not appear on the next day, that is 12/8/2024, as a wrong name was reflected. Full stop. Be that as it may, comma, we have noticed that the paper book has been prepared and Sri J. Das, Learned Counsel, along with, as well as Miss A. Begum, Learned APP are present. Para. Matter may be listed for hearing in its turn. Registry to reflect Sri J. Das as amicus curiae in the cause list.
May be allowed to furnish the paper book.
You have not been given. Madam, paper book given?
We have not.
The copies of the paper book may be furnished to the Learned Counsel for the parties.
Obliged.
You clarify the registry because they may not be aware.
Item 3 and 4.
Here in this case, Lordship, 2 appeals are there and 2 interlocutory applications are there, Lordship. And in one interlocutory application, that is Lordship 32 of 2024, on last occasion, I have pointed out that one of the applicants, Azad Ali, he is seriously ill, Lordship, suffering from cancer. And treatment is going on, therefore, Lordship, on medical ground, I have paid. And your Lordship has directed to obtain a report from the jail authority.
Lordship, I've got a report. As per the report, Lordship, he has already been transferred to Central Jail, Guwahati for a better medical treatment at B. Borua Cancer Institute as per order of the Assam Prisons Headquarters, Guwahati. And he is getting treatment.
And I have enclosed some photographs and medical prescription. Lordship may kindly see that medical documents that some pipes are fitted in his neck, Lord. And for that purpose, a constant family members' presence is required, Lord, in the present case. Lordship may kindly see the additional affidavit which I have filed. Page 87, 88, Lord.
What is your age?
His age 49 years.
49 years. Personal report too.
Lordship, if your lordship directs, I may obtain a copy from the Central Jail Guwahati. Since
Regarding,
the earlier order regarding his health condition, present health condition, because the earlier order from Dhupri jail, my lord. So Dhupri jail says has already been transferred to Central Jail Guwahati. For like as per prisons,
now we are only concerned is whether he is getting proper
medical care.
medical treatment.
Right.
Because the bail has been sought for only on that condition that he needs to be taken care of properly.
No, his bail application on merit is pending, but his condition seriously deteriorated. Therefore, I have pointed out before your lord that he needs urgent care.
Now, whether that care has been given to him or not, that is our concern.
That's required.
May I,
You get a report then?
from the Central Jail Guwahati?
Okay. Present position.
Yes,
When was the last visit to the
Right.
Viborwa? What is the status?
fine.
And whether his lordship, by keeping him in jail, lordship, that other treatment that he is getting,
Let her get the
that,
report.
that instruction may also.
It will be reflected in the order.
Harshri A. Ahmad, Learned Counsel. For the applicant number?
Applicant number 2, lord.
No, for the applicants.
Applicant number 2.
No,
Full
he's
hop.
suffering.
Applicant number 2 is.
No, you are otherwise is for the applicant number 2.
Lord.
This IA is by the applicant number 2. No, by
No,
all.
this IA is by.
For the applicants. Also heard Ms. B. Bhuya, Learned APP, Assam. Sarah. Sri Ahmed, the Learned Council has submitted that so far as the applicant number 2 is concerned, he is suffering from serious ailment,
Acha.
as a result of which care is, he submits that apart from the contentions raised towards consideration of grant of bail and suspension of contents, he is also suffering from serious ailment, namely cancer. And therefore, the same would be an additional ground for considering the aforesaid prayer. In this connection, he submits that certain instructions were directed to be obtained. Para, Ms. Bhuya, the Learned APP, has submitted that certain instructions have been received, as per which, considering the ailment of the applicant number 2, he has been transferred from the Dhubri jail to the Central Jail, Guwahati, so as to facilitate his treatment in the B. Borwa Cancer Institute. Full stop. The Learned APP further submits that some time may be granted to obtain the present status of the aforesaid treatment as well as the health status of the applicant number 2. Para, you are for? Informant. Sri M.A. Sikh, Learned Counsel, is present for the respondent number 2. Informant. Informant or victim? Informant. Para. In the interest of justice, 2 weeks' time is granted to enable the Learned APP to obtain the necessary instructions as directed above. We fix a date. List on. Today is what?
Today is 8.
8th. We'll have it on 22nd.
Lord-
2 weeks. Friday.
Lordship, the transfer has been made as per order of the Assam Prison Headquarters, Guwahati. It's already been transferred.
That we have said already. From Dhubri to Central, we have said already.
Apply.
Transfer to Kotor order to probably कौन है? এইটোত হেৰিত A Ahmed in হেৰিত এটা এপিলত criminal appeal 5 of 2024 ভিতৰত লিখিব in criminal appeal. This is in respect of 5 of 2024, 2023,
Lordship,
2024.
2024.
The other one is connected.
Lordship
Yes,
connected,
Okay.
arising out of.
দুটা order will be common, কিন্তু ভিতৰত লিখিব. Applicant number 2 so far as I understand.
I 23 of
In
20.
fact, এইটোত I-টোত লিখিব, হৈ গ'ল এইটো।
30,
I-টোত লিখিব।
how like?
Item 5.
বেলেগ appeal-টো বেলেগ, analogous হ'ব, separate.
In item number 5, Lordship, they have not filed their objection in interlocutory application.
Okay, it was admitted on 26/6.
Lordship.
Yes, madam, you would be filing objection.
Lordship,
Who is appearing? KK Das.
take it
Mr.
up.
Das. Criminal appeal 200. Admitted on 26/6/2024.
I file.
Okay.
Lordship. We have taken, but it is 30 conviction under section 302. Temporary. We can put. Habla.
Everyone. Well, I has been filed, my lord, is 954 of 2024, my lord. Earlier it was rejected, but second time it has been filed. The ground that medical evidence is inconsistent with ocular version, my lord. Notice has to go, my lord. 23, my lord. Paper book is already ready, my lord. Okay. That can be also. I understand. Where at that time, paper book was not, now it is. Okay. Second. After view, my lord. Yes. I have very confident. I don't know. I have. Two applicants. They have to strict appellant. I am appearing for two applicants. Yes, on 8/1 to 24.
Your Lordship, I have received.
I may be kept in. Must
May I please, your Lord. Lordship, in this connected appeal, there is a delay of 677 days. Yes, sir. First, okay, Lordship. I did. Okay.
I'm the legal aid counsel. This matter is a post matter, and there is a delay of 13 days. 13 days. Notice may be issued. Uh, registry will take.
We will send it. To the office. That copy.
Right.
May I please, your Lordship? My Lord, this matter already been admitted on 5th of February, my Lord, and LCR received, my Lord, since my learned senior is appearing for the respondent number 2. And we have filed one IF for suspension of sentence and bail. No, my Lord, 302 is life, my Lord. So my permission, my Lord, if the public prosecutor, my Lord, if wishes to file objection, let them file, and paper book may be directed to get ready, my Lord. Two, my Lord. And paper book may be directed in the, if necessary, in the paper book may be. Yes, my Lord.
Our names have been wrongly shown in this matter, my lord. Registry may be directed to type of our name, my lord. AK. Lordship, they have taken the brief, my lord, on 24/9. Lordship, I may be permitted, my lord, and yes, yes, ma'am.
Was listed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, did you?
I'll write the names and I'll. I'm
May I please your lordship, kindly pass back for the day. My senior is election code number 2.
Lordship, pardon, my friend is absent, Lordship, due to Jahan, S. Jahan. No, S. Jahan, Lordship. She is also Lordship, but Lordship, that she is. I'm sorry. For that, Lordship, she is unwell. Lordship. Part third was part third. Oh, Lordship. Yes, sir.
Take your lordship.
Single bed, Lordship. Whichever,
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal petition, Lord. There's an urgency in this matter,
When
Lordship.
do you want?
Monday, Lord.
Criminal petition?
Yes,
What
Lordship.
urgency?
Lordship, regarding a Jimma of the seized coal and
Of the seized
coal
coal?
with the premises, Lordship, but there's an order obtained by the geology department for auction. There's anytime the auction can be happen, Lordship. That's why there's an urgency, Lord. Monday, Lordship.
Auction, it can, notice has been issued.
So without
What is the
notice,
urgency?
there is an urgency, Lord.
First, it is not perishable goods. Even if you are entitled to an
Lordship,
order,
It is
you'll get the entire sale proceeds. It is coal, it is not your personal property. It's a
Lordship,
matter,
it-
it's
it
a
is-
material which you're transacting for business. Wednesday, not Monday. You don't find
Lordship, my
urgency.
senior will also be not available.
No, that's a different matter.
But in this case, Lordship, anytime auction may be happen.
But serves a notice. Can an auction be held within 2 days without a notice?
Because there was an order of the court.
No, is there a notice for auction?
No, they have not even provided us the notice before seizing the property also.
That's a different matter.
Huh.
Auction can it be held without a notice? Okay, Monday.
Obliged.
But we are not satisfied. Don't make a request. Your senior's inconvenience, that's a different
No, no,
aspect.
Lord,
Tell
but-
that.
But on Wednesday, it's different thing. Monday. Okay.
May I please?
Yes.
Lord, I beg to petition for listing of an IA in a criminal petition. So the
IA for
IA for my lord, stay upon the proceeding of for the learned court, because since there was no stay, my lord,
criminal cases for what?
you see, it is for quashing of the order, my lord, passed by the learned JMFC Bokum. Because my lord,
Quashing of the order.
the next date fixed is my lord 12/11/2024, and in the meantime, warrant has been issued against the petitioner. Therefore, I am seeking on Monday.
Okay.
I'm obliged.
May I please pray for listing IA for typographical error in WBC 4-336-24 passed by
Which
this,
court?
passed by this.
This court,
Yes, Lord.
in a criminal matter.
No,
Then
bench free matter.
bench free,
But Lordship, this matter was listed on 28/10/24, court number 5, but Lordship directed it based on appropriate.
কৰা যাব নেকি এখন? হা? জানো এইটো কিন্তু এইটো আজি এইটো সেইটো কাৰণে বহা নাই না? But whether this court will be sitting single or not, we do not know. Huh? Single descending. Double descending. Oh. Okay, Monday, we'll try.
Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing. Earlier was fixed on 25 October.
Listing of what?
Criminal appeal,
Single bench?
no, division bench.
Division bench, we are not in a division bench. You should have mentioned in the morning. We cannot pass orders. You may make a mention on Monday when the division bench is there. Okay?
Item 1.
My lord. My lord, for the application, FIR is at page number 13, my lord. Here the allegation is under section 69 of PNS, my lord. And my lord, now the complainant has issued one affidavit that is at page 24, my lord.
You are in behind the bar?
Filed since 19/10/2024, my lord.
Which PS? Dhemaji?
Dhemaji PS, my lord.
Lordship, I am allowed to call for the CD.
We'll have the CD. 10. Let us see the FIR.
FIR is at page 13, my lord.
13.
Translated book.
Allegations are slightly serious. Okay. Pick him up in there, huh? I'll give it a BNS will go, huh? So call for the case there.
29th of November.
Miss B. Bhuyan, London DPP, through her junior, Miss R. Das is directed to obtain the case diary. List on
29/11.
29/11, is it okay? 29/11. Today is what?
Today is 8.
8 March.
Dhemaji,
Dhemaji.
do it sooner, he's behind the bars. Have it on 25th. 25/11.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 2.
May I please, your lordship? Regular bail application, my lord. FIR page 16, vernacular may be taken up. Sir. May I read?
Okay, CD along with the medical report because.
Yes.
Lordship, if your lordship take up a teaser, my lord, page number 21 and 22, it may be clear that this is a case, not a case of murder or robbery, my lord. The Caesar is in 21 page number, description of the adult bahor deorakut, lordship. And 22 is the adult bahor khaifuti, that we go price for 4 foot. Actually, what
Page
21 and 22,
21, yes.
lordship. Description of Caesar.
No, Caesar may not be of the entire material. Whatever is
Lordship.
there, it has been seized.
Lordship,
They will not leave the motorcycle or other weapons.
lordship, what was
Whatever was lying there, and when was the Caesar made?
lordship,
When was the Caesar made? It was in 1810.
lordship 1810,
1810, isn't it? And the FIR was lost when?
lordship
1710.
1710, my lord,
Incident when?
1710,
Incident when? 1610.
1610, at about 1 p.m.
After 1610, 2 days, they did not leave any motorcycle or.
Lordship, in fact, what was happened, my lord, is
We will have the case there.
Is that along with the medical report?
may I pray for short statement.
Which police?
At
Yes,
6th hour.
25th.
20
Same order, huh? P. Bora. along with medical report. Along with medical report.
Lordship,
madam. Orders will be assisted by. Next.
Item three.
May I please?
Yes, Mr. Hussain, what is this?
My lord, petitioner arrested my lord on 2nd October, my lord. Today is my lord 37 days.
2nd October for what?
My lord,
Liquor on a dry day.
my lord. My lord,
What
FIR
is
is,
the offense?
my lord, FIR is my lord 11, my lord.
Offense, what offense?
Offense, my lord, under section 4, 142,
310.
3102 of PNS.
Previous injury.
Assaulted, physically assaulted. My husband demanded 5 lakhs, 1 lakh. Oh,
CD along with medical report.
CD and with medical report.
My lord, another case arising out of the same FIR, my lord, which is picked on my lord 12, my lord.
12.
Yes,
In that CD has been called for.
yes.
We'll try on 12. Then
No.
today is what?
Today is 8.
Today is 8, my lord.
Dorong,
My lord.
not-
No,
Oh.
if the CD has come.
Yes, my
in
lord,
that case,
CD.
Then we can consider.
Since the city has been called for, my lord,
The
along with AB number,
Legal Council has however informed that another case arising out of, another bail petition arising out of the same police case has been filed in which,
my lord, AB number 1,
in which the next date has been fixed on 12,
11.
11, 2024.
Maybe-
For another case being bail application number
AB number 2882.
2882.
Yes,
24.
24.
24. Para? It is accordingly directed to release this case on 12th along with AB number 7.
Of it.
Nobody.
N. Neog Elbonic. Who is N. Neog? All of this up. Come. Maybe,
Adjournment.
no, we are not adjourning. Wait for, because we said maybe slightly early.
Right.
So let us give a chance. Who's N. Neog and Elbonic? Okay, next.
Item five.
It all officer, huh? If you know the council, try to inform them. They may not be aware. Yes, AB.
Five.
R. Ali. Who? Ramad Ali?
Yes.
Who? Who is the council? Ramad Ali or whom? This is AB.
My lord. CDB call for your.
No, no, we'll do it in his presence. Take a message there. Mr. Ali, where are you? Your matter.
Lordship.
AB.
It does not say.
Charge sheet matter, my lord.
Okay, then where have you filed this?
Because, my lord, someone has been issued, my lord, by, and the petition is ready to appear. Because, my lord, this session trial case magistrate will not, my lord, and similar case, this all court has granted, my lord. I'm giving to judgment, my lord.
Where is
I have
the
annexed this
the
out.
first appearance. Full bench has clarified the matter. Magistrate has the power. It is yet to be committed.
No, it had not been committed.
Yet to be committed.
Lordship,
The
Lord.
magistrate can exercise powers. It is not that sessions tribal, so.
Oh, he has been declared as an absconder, my lord.
That is the difficulty, my lord.
So what order are you expecting?
My lord, on appearance before the magistrate, my lord, I'm giving to order.
It's up to the magistrate to
Lord.
You
decide.
consider in accordance with law. We cannot direct the magistrate to grant bail or not to grant bail. It is his domain. He has to act, we can just direct to act in accordance with law, nothing else. What is the nature of the incident in this case? Have you seen?
Yes, my lord, one is
Some
my lord.
assault
No.
and one bike was,
First one is my lord, 302 case, my
which one?
AV, my lord, 3674. It was, my lord, 302 case, my lord. Some accused were released on regular bail, some has been shown absconder.
No, it is not 302.
Second, lord,
Second is not 302.
3674, my lord. AV, my lord,
Yes.
Abul Hussein, my lord. This, my lord, charge sheet was submitted 120B, 147, 341, 326, 302, my lord.
Can we direct?
No, your lordship, he will appear before the learned trial court.
On appearance,
Order
your
will
lordship,
pass in accordance with
because
law.
there is no bar, my lord, granting bail in
It's up to the
charge
trial.
sheeted case, in charge sheeted case, my lord.
No, there is no bar,
Lordship.
understood. There is no bar,
Lord.
even in a pending trial, we grant
Lord.
bail.
Lord.
But is the consideration bail been done by any court or rejected for which you have to come to the court? We have not even given the PP a chance. Even if you are inclined to grant bail, at least we have to give them a fair chance.
Lord.
You appear that it will be considered in accordance with law.
Because-
But in a manner of this,
Because under,
these allegations, at least those two cases where 302 is also involved of the IPC.
my lord, session tribal
We
case,
don't even know, see, grant of bail, not grant is a discussion.
session tribal
It
case,
ba-
my
it
lord.
is based on the
Law.
Based on the facts and circumstances. Even the most serious offense, you may not be connected. If you make out a prime
Yes,
facie
ma'am.
case, it may be 302, it may be 376.
But-
You're not even at the place of occurrence.
But the
here-
learned trial court, what happened, my lord, as my lord, they
but
found,
here
my lord,
the
session tribal
discussion
case, my lord.
will be- We do not know your complicity, at least only the facts which you have projected in the petition. There are no materials also. We will not like to deviate from what we are practicing. We'll ask you to appear. Heard.
And your lordship may observe that the learned trial court may also exercise the
Yes, yes.
Lordship.
Where is that full bench? Where is that full bench?
that judgment I have not
Why have you not got?
yet answered. But the concept that- Yes, sir.
Madam, where is that full bench?
I'm not regular in single bench. I'm not aware of it. Lordship. I have
No,
to-
no, you are aware. You should. Don't say you're not aware. That's a very important point later. Justice Chelameshwar, Justice Ansari, and Justice.
My lord, old judgment, my lord, the Honorable Justice Ansari was also there.
Three
Lordship.
full bench judgment. It's been clarified.
Lord.
It was a reference, I think. heard Sri R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed this petition under so. Also heard Miss so learned people for the state para. At the outset, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the investigation in the meantime has been completed and charge sheet has been filed. Full stop. He has further submitted that though the petitioner is ready and willing to appear before the learned court, he apprehends that on such appearance, his prayer for bail may not be considered mainly for two reasons. Firstly, the petitioner has been declared as an absconder. No, declared, has been stated to be an absconder in the charge sheet. And secondly, since the offense is sessions tribal, the learned magistrate may not exercise the powers for consideration of bail. Full stop. Ms. Bhuiyan, the learned APP, has however submitted that if a prayer for bail is made, the learned magistrate would consider the same in accordance with law. Full stop. The full bench of this court in the court of Swinson, in the case of Swinson, has laid down that prior to an order of committal, the magistrate may exercise the powers to consider a prayer for bail in accordance with law. As regards the aspect of stating the petitioner as an absconder in the charge sheet, that aspect may also be considered by the learned magistrate in accordance with law, if good causes are able to be shown by the petitioner. In view of the above, the instant petition is closed by giving liberty to the petitioner to appear and make a prayer for grant of bail, which would be considered in accordance with law, strictly in accordance with law, and in terms of the observations made above. You try to give the judgment.
I'll give my lord.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner is booked under section 103 subsection 1 of BNS and in connection with Polarsbury PS case number 293/2024, arrested in 26/9/2024. Lordship,
6-9.
yes,
What did you do?
uh,
The allegation?
it is a commission of a murder. The allegation is of murder. And
Murder.
Yes.
You have been named in the FIR.
yes, I have been named.
Okay, anticipatory.
CD, my lord.
No,
case
no,
diary.
no, not anticipatory, regular bill.
Regular bill, case diary.
CD, your lordship of Kamrup.
Polarsbury.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
when?
Lordship may be fixed after 3 weeks.
We'll fix a date.
29.
29.
29th. Okay.
29.
25th.
25th.
25th. Okay, what is your name, madam?
Lordship, the
Your name?
Your name.
Albany.
Albany.
Okay.
Please, I can see.
Lord, if this Matter, Mr. D. Gokul, my lord, he has some difficulty. He's informed me, my lord.
Okay.
Kindly be taken.
On a prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. List next week. Next Monday?
Not Monday, he won't be there on Monday,
Okay.
my lord.
List
He-
after a week.
Can it be 12th or 13th, my?
List will say after a week. Motion matter will come.
Much obliged.
Seven,
May I please, your lord?
Hmm.
Lordship, anticipatory bail application, lordship, totally false FIR, lordship, which is at page number 15, lordship. As per the FIR, lordship, if we go through this FIR, I, along with my mother, kidnapped a girl and committed rape. Is it possible, my lord? And the photographs which we have annexed as per annexure number 1.
Let us read the FIR.
Yes, lord. Most respectfully, it is stated that on 17/10/2024 at about 9 p.m. at night, while my daughter so-and-so went to shop from home, the above noted accused number 1 arrived in a car and accused number 1 and 2 forcibly took her inside the car. That means mother and son, the accused person, took the girl, lordship, and
Yes.
tying her hands and legs and gagging her mouth, taken her firstly while I made hue and cry, then knotted her hands and legs and gagged her mouth. In this way, they kidnapped her and detained her in a room of a house located in some unknown place. And the accused number 1 committed rape against her will. He made illicit relation with her by threatening her to kill. The accused number 1 threatened her to kill if she speaks about the rape. It is stated here that on 19/10/2024 at about 9 p.m., my daughter has been recovered in a sick health state from Gwalpara town. Actually, lordship, what happened? They had love relationship, and lordship, this is clear-cut proof, lordship, which is annexed at paragraph at page number 12 onwards. Lordship may kindly peruse the photograph. Having seen these photographs, no one can believe that it can be a rape. Actually, they have some relationship, lordship, and
What is the age of the girl?
she is major, lordship. As per the FIR, 18. So, lordship, I may be granted protection, lordship. I will appear. My statement may be recorded, and lordship,
Lordship, I have serious objection in the photograph annexed by my learned friend, whether it belongs to the same girl or not. We are not, Lordship, at this stage. Lordship, without seeing the case diary, your Lordship, we cannot.
yes,
verify
yes,
the
case diary may be
matter.
called for. If it
Lordship,
is,
any cases
if-
serious, your Lordship, may I
if lordship,
your
these
Lordship may
photographs are
please
not
call for the
true,
case diary.
then outright it may be rejected. I have no objection. But lordship, at the first instance, the consensual sex, even if it is there, the consensual sex, even if it is there, lordship, the allegation of rape never comes in this case, lordship. At least, lordship,
Your Jichamua.
yes, lordship.
Heard Jichamua learned counsel, no? Principal. Also heard principal. Call for the, which Thana?
Lordship, it is from Merasar PS, lordship.
Bongaigaon.
Yes, lordship, Bongaigaon, Merasar.
Bongaigaon, fixing 29th, no? Para. The learned counsel for the petitioners prays for an interim protection. It is submitted that the petitioners are son and mother, and the allegations of rape made against the victim are apparently concocted. He has also relied upon certain photographs to show that there was a cordial love relationship between the petitioner number 1 and the alleged victim, who is a major. Full stop. The aforesaid prayer has, however, been seriously objected to by Ms. Bhuya, the learned APP. Yes, anything? You are the mother,
Father,
father.
let the case diary be.
The statement of the victim has been recorded. recorded.
Lordship,
Yes, it is.
Lordship,
Are you denying that this is your daughter? This photograph?
photograph.
No,
No.
understood. These are not evidence at all. We are only considering a. bill
Whether
petition.
she is daughter or not.
Your name? When did you enter appearance? Today? File wakalatnama? Okay, Sri J. Islam who has entered appearance on behalf of the informant has also seriously objected to the consideration of the interim or consider the prayer for interim bail, full stop, para. After hearing the learned counsel, comma, it is provided that till the next date, comma, the petitioners, it is in the interim, in the event of arrest, no?
Yes.
10,000 each. The aforesaid interim order is, however, limited to the next date and would be considered after consideration of the materials in the case diary, including the statement of the LS victim said to be recorded under section 164 of the CRPs of the what is the new provision?
And my statement may also be taken.
It is also provided that
Within
on-
3 days.
that
No, Lordship.
that on or before
On or
uh,
5 days time may be given because I have to
on or before
get the certified copy, Lord.
on or before we'll consider all those, don't worry.
Yes, Lord.
On or before 16th of November,
Deeply obliged.
the petitioners will appear before the concerned PS for recording their statements. Para? List on, this is Bongaigaon.
Yes, Lord.
We'll have it on 29th.
29.
29th.
29. Deeply obliged, my Lord. Deeply obliged.
We'll rely on the statement of the victim.
My lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, which is fixed on 25th 11 for case diary. Lordship, can it be fixed on 29th of November?
Madam? 29th.
Lordship,
The other case.
Madam,
item 4.
can it be fixed on 29th?
Okay, 29.
I'll look.
I got this after.
Citation?
2007 1 GLT 330.
Authored by Honorable Justice Ansari.
No, my lord. The Honorable Chief Justice, my lord. Then
Here, no.
PG
who
Agor,
was authored?
PG Agorwal and as Sudarshan, they did Chief Justice.
Okay.
Item 22, something.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
My Lord, may kindly say FIR page 9.
AB. 164 or 82?
And my Lord,
BNSS.
the
Madam,
matter,
we-
suicide
164
matter,
BNSS. 164 BNSS.
and
What is this?
the principal accused is arrested.
Clear as bail.
Here is building.
Two petitioners.
Two petitioners, father and mother. And the husband has been arrested because the wife has died. That is suicide case matter. Now police consider the husband is responsible primarily.
BNSS.
So my Lord, my
Page, page,
submission,
page. FIR.
FIR page 9.
Yes, please. 7 minutes ago. Conspiracy.
Conspiracy, my lord, it is a heard, they have only heard, my lord. Actually, there is no direct allegation against them. Now kindly say page 16,
1/6.
1/6, Annexure 2. Here lordship would say that brief of the case, Mikir Veta PS case number so and so, under section so and so BNS, PO number still so and so, on 37/24 at about 12:30 PM, complainant namely Joinal Abedin, son of Abdul Razak, village Sunsiri PS Singh, district Nagang, Assam, number so and so, lost in FIR to the effect that the complainant daughter, namely Alvina Khatun, was married to join Ijazul Islam. So this person has been arrested. This person is arrested.
We have
This is
understood. You are seeking prayer as bail for the parents of the husband.
parents means parents.
Parents,
Parents.
the father-in-law and mother-in-law.
And they are, my lord, live separately. They live separately. Lordship kindly say our statement is very much clear. So, kindly see page 5, para 6. So, my lord, what they are in the...
This was lost in August, 9th of August. Why are you apprehending before that? Why are you apprehending arrest?
Why apprehending are because our names have been given in the FIR.
No. This was in July. In November, why have you come?
No, that I am there, but thing is this now.
If your names were there, your names were there in July itself.
That is
Now, where is the apprehension now? Is there any apprehension that you would be arrested?
Yeah, apprehension is there, my lord.
No, from where it has arisen? What statement have you made?
It is in the FIR itself, my
What
lord.
statement have you made that this police have come to your place looking for you? You have an apprehension that you will be arrested. Yes, Madam, Mr. Das.
But if it is necessary for
No, CD will call for definitely, but he is also having
No.
a prayer for interim.
Yes,
No, no.
that,
103 is there, Lord, murder.
my lord, my submission is this CD may be called for, I have no objection at all.
Which the Thana? Morigaon?
Mikir Veta.
Morigaon.
Mikir Vita.
Mikir Veta.
Morigaon.
Morigaon, district
We
Morigaon.
will have a short date. Consider, okay. Third, 3MU Mahmood Learned Counsel for the petitioners who has filed this application with Queen's. Call for the case diary. Fixing. Seconds, 22. But get it. Okay. 20.
Well, till then some relief, my lord.
Let it come. 20 seconds. 3 KK Das, shall do the needful.
There are all there.
Offense is serious.
Yep.
That is otherwise there's a death. Okay, next. Yes, Mr. Ali.
My lord, this is an anticipatory bail application. There are 17 numbers of petitioners before lordship. All of the family members and the relatives, my lord. Accused number, petitioner number 1, 2, and 3 are the brothers, and 4 are this son of accused number 1. All are the family members and relatives. Some, my lord, there is a civil dispute, my lord, regarding a plot of land, my lord. There was the incident was taken place. And both the side parties, my lord, quarrel was taken place, my lord. So till next date, my lord, lordship may examine the entire matter by calling for the case diary, and they may be protected since, my lord, all the family members are here. So
Right.
some
Is
they
it
will
allowed
appear.
that all the family
they-
members are there
They
with
will,
protection?
my lord, humble submission is that they will appear before the investigating officer.
Others also need to appear. If you do not appear, you will be bound to appear.
My lord, I will appear within 7 days or my lord. If you lost the permit, my lord, because there are old ailing person is also there, more than 60 years old.
See the nature of the injuries.
My lord, lordship, may kindly see page number 10 is the FIR, my
Accused
lord.
persons cut down the hands of
No.
Abu Hanifa,
I
assaulted on
I
his
have been
head,
instructed, my lord, the
rabbit
FIR is
from
not,
bamboo.
FIR is not actually correct. If anything found, my lord, that may be rejected in the, my lord,
We will have a, which Sana?
Kharupeti, my lord. Dorong district, Kharupeti.
Dorong.
My lord, short day,
We'll have it 25th.
short day.
25th.
My lord,
Sorry, not 25th, 22nd. 22nd, 2 weeks, I think. enough.
Lord, my lord, only prayer is, my lord, petitioner number 1 and 8, more than 60 years old.
More than 60 or so?
My lord, the old dealing person, my lord, some
Old
protection.
building, 60. Some of the
They-
people in the bar may not be appear.
They will appear,
appearing-
only 2%, my lord, may be protected.
What is their age?
60 and 65.
60 is not old. They may sue you for defamation
Till next date.
if you consider them to be old. Next, 22nd.
Oblige, lord.
FTK Das, huh? Will do the needful.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an application under 397, visit 401 of the CRPC,
Why
lordship,
has it come today? Why has it come today?
for admission.
Admission. The LCR were called for.
LCR will call for.
Yes. You're for whom?
I am from restaurant 2.
And Mr. Das, you are appearing. What is the matter? DV Act. DV Act.
So maintenance, my lord, we have challenged that, interim maintenance.
Okay.
The improving order, lordship, the learned code below here, my lord, directed
10,000.
20,000, my lord, 10,000 for
10,000
the,
for respondent number 2 and
10,000 for their daughter, my.
Okay.
The, my lord,
What is the-
service,
what is the interim order?
interim order is that, my lord, to pay 10,000 per month.
For 20 has been made 10,
So it has been made 10, my
which you have been paying now.
paying now.
Okay, what is your,
My learned engaged counsel is in other
who is your counsel?
M. Kolita.
Yes, we'll have some
Thank
other day then. Okay. Wednesday next? Okay, come. On a prayer made on behalf of the respondent number 2.
Two.
Two. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday. Para interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Oblige.
Item 9 for daily hearing. None appears for the petitioner on call. Para, on the other hand, Sri K.K. Das, learned APP, has informed that the charge sheet has been submitted in the meantime. Full stop, para. Be that as it may. And in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday next.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes. Friday goes on, no?
Lordship, in this case,
Friday
lordship,
go. Friday go on, no? On Wednesday next. 13th. Yes.
in this case, lordship, except one section which is
City not appeal.
city not appeal. 73 days, lordship, behind the bar.
Allegation?
Allegation, lordship, here several sections are added, which are mandatory period of which are 60 days, except only one section, 109.
What is it?
109 is added,
Attempt to
murder, and as per the FIR, this section, in my view, doesn't come. So, lordship,
Oh,
on
which-
the basis of length of detention,
Which
lordship,
street, Shana?
it is lordship Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, lordship,
74 days.
74 days, lordship, from the date of forwarding report. Then they were forwarded on lordship 27th of
Last chance.
August, lordship.
I'll give you a last chance. Have you called for the case diary?
Yes, lordship, on last occasion it was called.
On
Did you-
24/10 it was
Did you
called,
take steps to get the case diary?
but I will,
No, did you
today
take
itself
steps
only,
earlier?
Lord. Today it's about.
No, grant the last opportunity, Thursday next.
Good.
Okay,
Lordship,
Last time,
Thursday,
Lord.
Thursday next.
Thursday next.
Yes.
Today is
Today is Friday.
Friday.
Next Friday is a holiday. We'll have it on Thursday.
Oblige, my lord. Date may kindly.
Oh,
Oblige.
Case diary is not available. Sarah? Sri Chamua, G. Chamua.
G.
the
Chamua,
counsel for the petitioners has however submitted that as on today, about 74 days have passed since the petitioners were taken into custody. Full stop. He has also submitted that except one section, comma, the mandatory period for the other sections are 60 days. Is 60 days. Para, be it as it may, comma, on the prayer of Sri K.K. Das, learned APP, a further chance is granted to obtain the case diary, full stop, list on 14.
14 of like DTF.
May please, sir. In this case, it was called for petitioner behind the bar since last 33 days. FIR page number 10.
Allegations?
Allegation is forged a Aadhaar card.
Huh?
Forged Aadhaar card regarding he has make up a forged Aadhaar card.
Forged Aadhaar card.
Petitioner is a CSC holder, Lordship, Common Service Center holder. Here nothing has been forged, Lordship. One person.
Yes, case diary.
Not a-
Get the case diary.
Petitioner is a
From
CSC.
Vishwanath,
Huh?
Jinjia.
Short date may be given, Lordship, since 30
Short date, is it possible?
Yes, nothing has been done, but
You send message today itself, Thursday. No, not Thursday, Monday next.
That-
It,
18.
We'll have it on, yes, 18th.
18.
18th, huh?
like,
Same hobo, huh? It? Take it as, case diary notice. Our mother can not take your pillow. I didn't.
May I please, your lordship?
Case
Diary along with medical report was called for my. And my
Item
lord,
number?
item, I have already completed my lord 74 days, my. And allegation under section 304B, my lord, my lord, complaint was lodged before the my lord learned judicial magistrate Borpeta, my lord, not before the police after 37 days of the occurrence, my lord, and already 74 days, my lord.
But 304B,
Mal.
who are you?
My lord, I am the husband, my.
You are the husband. What is the allegation?
My lord, allegation that we demand dowry, my lord, and assault. That is the allegation, my lord. Page 11, my.
How was the death?
My-
That was caused by what?
My lord.
How was the death caused?
My lord, hanging, my lord. Medical report was also called
No,
for,
it's
my
not
lord.
hanging. They had killed and hanged her.
My lord, that is the allegation, my.
It is hanging, Lord. FSL. Postmortem report is non-continuous.
Why there was mud on her body?
But if I look into the evidences, Lordship, 1 month before the incident took place, the stated that demand bike lot.
No, that is a different matter.
Lord.
Why there was mud on her body?
It's not stated, Lord.
Any reflection in the case diary? Because if you see the complaint at page 12,
Lordship.
second paragraph, on 9/6/2024 at 7 AM in the morning, when the complainant saw a huge gathering of people in the house of the accused person, complainant went to the influencer, saw her daughter is hanging and saw mud all over her body.
It's not here. But
PM?
PM report is there, Lord. It is state non-continuous, Lordship. I don't do
External appearance? External appearance when the body was
Lord,
dropped, what
external-
is there?
External appearance, a female the body person wearing blood is on top, rigor mortis is developed all over the postmortem. Hypertension present on the back and feet.
No,
Coloration
on
of,
the external appearance,
It
when
is-
the body was brought to the,
there is nothing of that sort. Lord. In fact,
You have received the chemical analysis report.
Lordship, we have received.
Received.
Lordship. Fish is still hanging, it is there, Lord.
When were you arrested?
Lord, on my lord, 26/8, 74 days. However, marriage is for 5 years, sir, within 7 years. But and moreover, allegations are also there. We did
Soon
not
before,
assault,
Lord,
1 month.
anymore, man.
No, the ingredients may be there.
But
within 7 years, there is a demand and dying of unnatural deaths. You have not filed the charge sheet.
charge sheet has not been filed.
Not
That is
filed,
the case.
not
There is-
filed.
Investigation is almost
Not-
over.
it-
What remains? The report from the, when? The forensic report had come when? On 9/6, no, 9/6. Yes. Why this does not contain a date?
Sure.
The forensic report, it doesn't contain a date, why?
During my lord, 5 years, my lord, no affair was lost. If my lord to assaulted or demand, my lord, affair should have been lost, no affair, my. Actually, my lord,
No, it's not necessary that in each and every
and
incident. there is-
37 after 37 days, my lord, this complaint was filed before the CCM. Not
Firstly,
before
it
the
was
police.
not registered, Lord. That is one affidavit is also there, Lord.
Because preliminary, after preliminary inquiry, police found that, my lord, no,
So
sir,
a complaint has been raised.
murder was committed.
Complaint
That is-
case has been raised.
my lord, 74 days, my lord, length of detention also may. Is that right?
But mud part, we have not understood. Why she,
Lordship,
her body was found with mud?
I also look into
If it is a case of hanging,
Lordship,
why
why it is
the
there,
mud
Lord?
part? But there is no, in the PM report, there is no,
No
even a
description
passing
of that.
reference that the body was smeared with mud or something,
Lordship, it-
covered with mud. And he says that he found the body still hanging.
Yes.
It is not that it was brought down
For the
then
pump and other place, Lord.
on the ground. Heard. You're assessing the
My lord,
Learned Counsel for the petitioner who by means of this application filed under so-and-so as paid for so-and-so. Also heard Sri K.K. Das, learned APP, who has produced the case diary. Para. Sri Sigdar, the learned counsel, has submitted that the alleged incident was of 9/6/2024, and in the instant case, a complaint was filed before the learned magistrate Borpeta on after how many days?
16/7/2020,
16/7/2024. That is after about
37 days.
37 days. He has also submitted that as per information received, the cause of death is hanging. Full stop. The aspect that the petitioner is in custody for the last 74 days has also been highlighted. Para. Sri Das, the learned APP, on the other hand, has raised serious objections to the prayer for grant of bail. Full stop. He has submitted that the ingredients of section, what is the new section?
304P.
Huh?
304P.
It's under the old section.
Under old section.
Under section 304B of the IPC are met as the death has occurred within 7 years of the marriage, and there are ingredients to show that there was a demand for dowry. Full stop. He has also submitted that the death is an unnatural one. Full stop. Para. Having considered the rival submission and also taking into consideration the aspect that the petitioner is behind the bars for about 74 years, 74 days, this court is of the opinion that no further custodial interrogation would be necessary. Accordingly, the instant application is allowed, directing to enlarge the petitioner on bail, on furnishing of a bail bond of rupees 20,000 and a COT of like amount, subject to the satisfaction of the learned
CDM Borpeta.
Learned CGM Borpeta. Full stop. It is needless to state that the petitioner would continue to render full cooperation in the investigation and thereafter in the trial which should commence.
I only want to state that, Lordship, not unnecessary death, Lordship. It's abatement to suicide.
No, death is unnatural. It is hanging. It's not a natural death.
I love that.
Case diary, return back. Item number?
In this case, Lordship, I want to request, Lordship, since I am alone, Lordship, I am looking into all the cities, Lordship. It's quite voluminous, so I am not able to vote for.
What is the allegation?
My allegation is murder. But thing is, this everything is based on circumstantial evidence, nothing else.
PM is there.
PM report was called for.
We'll consider on Monday. He has some difficulty. Monday, you are around. But Monday, you don't make this kind of submission. Ask your colleagues to be there. This is no excuse.
No, Lordship.
It is
I apologize.
long pending matter.
Okay, he's there and he has all the right to press for a bail application. Why not? Be ready on Monday. Okay. Do 3 M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, comma. 3 K.K. Das, learned APP, has agreed for a short accommodation. Puts the para. Considering the above, list on Monday, date.
Yes, charge sheet submitted, Lord.
Yes, what is this? AB,
AB, Lord.
offense?
Offense is, Lordship, under 69 of PNA.
You're under an interim order.
Interim order.
Appear until your consideration of bail, regular bail, this will continue. Okay. What is your name?
IK Buragohai.
You are not on record.
I'm appearing on behalf of N. Hassan.
Your name, please?
I.K. Buragohain.
I.K. Buragohain. Part 3, I.K. Buragohain, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri N. Hassan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri K.K. Das, Learned Additional PP Assam, who has produced the case diary. Your case diary is there?
Lordship is
No, no,
first is submitted.
full stop. No, don't say case diary, huh? Who informs that the case diary, that the charge sheet has been submitted in the meantime. Para? Considering the aforesaid submission and also noting the aspect that an interim protection was granted to the petitioner by this court wide order dated 4/10/2024, instead of going into the merits of the rival parties, interest of justice would be met if the petitioner is directed to appear before the learned magistrate, learned session judge. No. Which court will appear? It is not committed, I think. File the charge sheet. What offense?
Under section 69 PNS Lordship.
69 Lord.
69 is?
Relating to
Sexual intercourse.
sexual offense.
It will go before the magistrate.
Lord.
Learned? Learned magistrate. Learned magistrate. Puts up accordingly. The petitioner. Accordingly, the instant petition is disposed of by directing the petitioner to appear before the learned magistrate, before whom the charge sheet has been filed, and make a prayer for bail in accordance, bail which is to be considered in accordance with law. Full stop. Till such consideration is made, the interim protection granted by this court wide order dated 4/10/2024 shall remain in force.
Not surprised.
15. One five. None appears for the petitioner on call. CD is there.
No, another date.
Whereas Sri K.K. Das, Learned APP is present, in the interest of justice. List after a week. You try to obtain the case diary by then. Okay, next. 16.
This is an anticipated bail application. CD was called for, my lord, on 8/10/2024. Interim protection was granted. The offense is, my lord, attempt to murder
It is
and
there.
It is.
Okay. Attempt to murder.
causing grievous hurt. So the allegation in the FIR is that, my lord, while the informant was returning after his work, my lord, 10 to 15% encircled him and beaten him up with, my lord, sharp weapons, etc. Well, I was not there. He believes that it was done under my instruction. On that basis, my lord, police was after me.
Who are
So,
you?
my lord, I am a local person there, my lord. An agreement was executed between me and him, my lord, regarding a plot of land. And in view of which, my lord, I have paid around 5,50,000 to the informant.
What is the medical?
A medical report is there, Lordship. It
What
is
is-
simple injury, Lordship, by blunt weapon. Moreover, he has stated his name, and according to him, Lordship, he is a middleman, and he wanted to sell this person, Lordship, injured person, land at a lesser price, Lordship. So he, along with other person, came to this place, place of occurrence, and beaten him, Lordship.
So he was not there. He believes that it was done under his
The allegation?
page 11. There is the translated copy. If I may read, ma'am.
What is your name? Ashok Ghosh?
Yes, my lord.
Shanku?
Ashok Ghosh. Shanku is the
Who
nickname.
who is Vipul Orang?
People Orang, my lord, I'm not aware. They have named him also. He is not arrested also. No information about
Let
him.
us see the medical.
Medical is simple, Lordship, and the complainant named him, Lord.
History of boxing assault. How can he box with a rod and sharp weapon? You are a boxing champion.
No, but I was not even there in
You
that.
are the coach.
I am
You
a,
have trained them.
I am a businessman, run a small grocery
You
shop.
may still be a boxing coach. The informant is Pawan.
Pawan Orang.
He is the injured person. In his statement, he stated that he is present.
But in the FIR, my lord, he stated simply that, my lord, he believes it was under the instruction of the accused number 1.
His statement has been recorded.
But who said, Ashok, yes,
No, your informant.
informant statement is there, Lord.
What does he say?
He said he was, after some time, he along with some other goons has came and beaten
Before the police. He has stayed under the police.
police, Lord.
His statement has also been recorded.
His statement is
Where is it?
the last few pages.
Your name is Shanku.
Ashok,
Ashok Ghosh. Shanku is the,
Shanku.
yes, nickname.
from the last.
Okay. Part 3, as discussed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri K.K. Das, learned APP, who has produced the case diary pursuant to the order dated 8/10/2024. Para. Sri Biswas, the learned counsel, has submitted that in the FIR, only an apprehension was raised regarding the involvement of the petitioner. Full stop. He has also submitted that as per information received, the nature of the injuries and the description of the alleged weapons do not match with the medical report. Full stop. The aspect of the grant of an interim order, wide order dated 8/10/2024, has also been highlighted by the learned counsel. Now, counsel, pursuant to which he has appeared and his statement has been recorded. Sri Das, the learned APP, has, however, submitted that though only an apprehension was raised in the FIR regarding the involvement of the present petitioner, the informant in his statement recorded under section 161 of the CRPC, presently what? 180 of the BNSS,
Yes.
had stated the presence of the petitioner at the place of occurrence during the assault. He, however, fairly submits that in the medical report, comma, simple injuries have been detected by use of blunt weapon. Puts the para. After consideration of the facts and circumstances, and also the materials on record in the case diary, including the medical report, comma. This court is of the opinion that custodial detention of the custodial interrogation of the petitioner may not be required. Full stop. This court has also noted that the petitioner has already appeared pursuant to the order dated 8/10/2024. Para. In view of the above, comma, the petition stands allowed and the interim order passed on 8/10/2024 is made absolute. Full stop. The conditions, however, the conditions which were imposed by the said order will, however, remain in operation.
Much obliged.
The conditions number, so and so, except condition number 1. That was all for appearance.
May I please?
Yes.
The petitioner, my lord, he is having a pharmacy. The deceased approached him with a problem of knee pain. He gave one tablet, Zerodol tablet, and he advised him to go to the Borpeta Medical College. On the way to Borpeta Medical College, expired. The person expired.
Expired out of?
Knee pain.
No,
Knee pain.
you cannot, will not expire out of knee pain.
Yes, that is what
What
the
is the cause of death?
Cause of
postmortem.
that is not here, Lordship, because the Fischera has been sent to, it is not. Fischera is- Postmortem is there. Cause of that is pending, Lordship.
Okay, it has been sent for further chemical analysis.
Page 10 is the FIR.
Get the FSL report.
However, one point I want to raise, Lordship.
But is there any animosity or something of
Lordship, he does not have the
license?
Lordship. Moreover, he is not a pharmacist also.
No, that's a different aspect.
But-
This is a much graver.
They have been, those
allegation.
documents have been seized, my lord.
For,
There is a
he
seizure
not
list
to
happening.
possess a license or not, that he'll face the consequences.
Yes, that is
But to
drug
implicate him
hospital.
for murder,
Lordship, that
it is very
is.
dangerous.
FSL,
304, my lord.
But we don't want to know the aspect of the FSL. And the aspect of any previous animosity, if any.
The FIR does not reveal, my lord. If I, for a moment,
Who has lost the FIR?
the wife of the deceased,
Let us see.
page 10, my lord. May I read it?
Yeah, please.
With due respect, I would like to inform you that my husband, Babul Ramsiari, as a son of so-and-so, was suffering from little pain, a little knee pain. He
He was
consulted.
given injection
Injection. It is the allegation, my lord.
and 2 tablets. Oh,
Yes. After returning from the pharmacy, my husband's
you
knee.
said only tablets. This will be something, this may be grieved. Unauthorized
Well,
person
that-
given an injection. You get the,
Whether injection was given, my lord, that some evidence.
causes of death is not, I need to bring that, Lordship.
third,
No, my lord, I pray, my lord, he's not been protected, my lord. My lord will kindly
he
see.
would have given you some, it is not a matter of only some tablets. Administering an injection.
My lord will
and
kindly
third
see
person.
one aspect, my lord, one aspect I'll place before you, my lord. Page 25, my lord.
Sorry,
there-
Mr. Moni, don't waste your time. We'll have the third Sri P.K. Moni, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri K.K. Das, learned APP, has submitted that though he has received the
PM
case
report.
diary,
Yes, that-
including the PM report, comma, it appears that the matter has stand for further scientific examination to the FSL. And the report is awaited. Full stop. Para. When? How soon?
He's not protected, my lord. Let me sort it.
List on
Upon 18.
18th. 18th. You take instruction on the aspect of injection. If injection is not there, perhaps if it's late, then we can consider his prayer for interim. But injection.
Injection, my lord, he cannot provide all because it's a single window pharmacy. So those documents have been seized.
We do not know what has happened. Let us see what is there. Okay.
Possible. Available.
Yes.
Wait for service.
Hmm?
Wait for service.
Service report upon whom?
That's number killer.
This is an issue. R3. Four eleven it was sent. Okay. Your Gogoi,
Yes, Lord.
Gigi Gogoi.
Yes.
Sri Gigi Gogoi Learned Council, by referring to the office notes dated 4/11/2024 and 6/11/2024, has submitted that service report in respect of the respondent number 3 is awaited. It is seen that such notice was issued by registered post with AD only on 4/11/2024. Para, in view of the above, list after 4 weeks. Along with press service report upon the respondent number 3.
Okay.
Yes.
But upon the last date, in the IA, state had been given an opportunity to file a reply. They have not filed it yet.
IA for?
IA is for suspension of sentence. The sentence is 10 years. The offense is 376(1). I have been in custody now for 3 years, 7 months, 3 weeks, and 1 day.
After conviction?
Yes, not post conviction. Throughout, on 21st of August 2021, I was arrested. During trial, I've been in custody. Till date, I'm in custody.
Yes,
this
your
case-
objection? Mr. Das?
File not,
File.
not filed.
Why?
My lords, if I may only take a moment.
We have to
In
file
this case, my lord, if a learned PP will also go through the records, he'll see prima facie, on the face of the record, then in my very humble submission, my lords, the judgment is perverse. Because what has happened, my lords, my primary submission is this. There is medical evidence. Medical evidence says that there is no recent sexual intercourse. This is within quotes. I'm quoting from the medical evidence. There are certain injuries which are noticed on the eyelid, cheeks, and the distal part of the forearm in the medical evidence. This is not corroborated by the oral evidence of the informant, of the victim. PW6 says that after the incident, later in the evening, when she had spoken to me, there were no injuries on her body. What the learned court below has done, my lords, which is erroneous in my very humble submission, he has used the 164 statement of the victim, which was exhibited by the IO, to corroborate the medical evidence and say that since in the 164 statement, the victim had said that I was injured in my eyes and cheeks, and since in the medical evidence, it has come that she has injuries on her eyelids and her cheeks, therefore, it shows that she is correct. The 164 statement, Milos, has been used as substantive evidence in this case.
Now, in the doc, what did she say?
She did not say anything about injuries to her body, Milos.
Now, other aspects?
Other aspects also, she has said that he tried to develop physical relation with me. That is what she has said on the doc as PW1. However, in the medical evidence,
The doctor has found that there is no recent sexual intercourse, my lord. This is the opinion which has come. He was not declared hostile and he was not cross-examined also, my lord. I'll admit that as well. But he was not declared hostile. He was not asked anything.
Doctor, this is, what did the prosecutrix in her evidence say? Is it there?
The LCR is there, my lord. It's pink flag A, my
No,
lord.
no,
Flag.
Mr. Das, you filed your objection. Yes. Any instructions you have? You are appearing also as a legal aid, both of you legal aid.
No, no, I am not legal aid, my lord. I appear on behalf of a
Regular.
private organization, Studio Nilam. We have filed the,
Regular appeal.
yes, the regular.
Oh, you are a legal aid counsel. So what is your take? Will you like to file objection? You
I will
file
file.
objection? Okay. You file objection. It's pending since when, Mr. Gautam?
My lord, this has been filed on 33/2024, the appeal.
No.
And-
Mr.
Yes.
I is appeal pending since when?
This is 27th of August, my lord, 2024.
No, 23rd 10. 23rd 310. You have recently moved it.
No, my lord, I apologize.
23rd 10. Okay. You file your objection, okay?
My lord, 29th of August, we had filed the IM.
It came for consideration 23rd
Yes,
10.
that's come later.
When this IA was considered on 23/10/2024, state respondent was granted time to file objection. Full stop. 3 KK Das, learned APP. Praise for and is granted 3 weeks further time to file the objection. Para list immediately thereafter.
Can there be a fixed date, my lord? Perhaps.
Yes, we fix a date.
No,
No, do you fix a date? You tell us after 3 weeks, but ensure that you file it.
Okay, Lord.
List on 1, 2, 3. We'll have it on 3rd of December.
Lord.
It's a, oh no, we can have it on 2nd also, 2nd of December,
Very well.
Monday.
My lord, they may be directed to mandatorily file it by then.
Well,
This first time I have got, I will definitely.
Provide the. He said something have come, the LCR has come.
LCR.
No, if we direct preparation of a paper book, otherwise also you'll get. Okay.
My lord, single bench matter, my lord. Paper book, my lord, single bench not
It's
required.
not that kind. It's a matter of convenience, whether if it's a 2 judge, we need a PB and we see a single judge, what is this?
My lord,
PB is only for a matter of convenience. How many witnesses are there?
the 8 witnesses. I have given a copy of the.
There will be a PB.
I have given a copy of the LCR to my learned colleague, my lord.
It will be convenient not only for the court, only for the only counsel. What page you are referring, what page he is referring, that
Yes.
should be a consistency. There's nothing like that, single bench, no PB, nothing like that. Okay, objections may also be filed by the informant who is represented by Sri U. Chaudhary, if so advised. Just making liberties open.
I will take that note.
Yes, next.
Okay.
Grateful.
I think what is this?
May I be illustrated? Illustrated, this is the criminal petition under section earlier 482 CRPC, now 528 BNSS, my lord. We are challenging the entire procedure of FC criminal case number 356/23, pending before the learned Principal Judge Family Court, Borpeta, my lord. In this case, my lord, we have challenged the entire procedure of that case basically on the 2 grounds, my lord. My lord,
This today.
I am for
Service
response number 2, my lord.
You are the husband.
yes, I am for the husband, my
You
lord.
are the
I am for
wife.
the wife, my lord.
Basically, 2 grounds we have challenged that procedure, my lord.
No,
One
no,
is, my
no,
lord,
No, why is it for orders today?
orders, my lord, I think service, due to incompletion of service today, they have first time appeared.
9/9/2024 notice was issued.
This is for orders, my lord, orders. my lord.
Hmm?
This is for orders, my lord.
Scan copy of the LCR notice, my lord, that was called for. But here is the,
Scan copy is in LCR. no? What is your take? Will like to file any objection?
My lord, yes, my lord, I have filed objection, my lord.
File objection. In the meantime, we'll also have the scan copy. Okay.
Lord, here is case, my lord. interim order earlier passed, my lord, 1900, my lord. They are not paying much. So that is the problem, my lord. So, my lord, some direction may be given to clear the interim maintenance test as per the learned family court, my lord.
My lord.
They have not paying, my
No,
lord. They
no.
are not paying.
There is some discussion, my lord. During the pendency of this case, the respondent number 2, that girl, Solomon is second marriage, remarried. And according to the explanation A of the section 125 CRPC, my lord, if a woman,
Have you stated?
yes, yes,
that She has remarried.
remarried, yes, yes.
You have stated.
Yes, I have stated,
File your
paragraph 10,
objection.
page
My
8.
lord, no, not remarried, my lord. This is the disputed, my lord.
File your objection.
My lord, yes, my lord, I'll file the objection, my lord.
Without objection, how can you? Because he has made a statement. You got a chance to rebut. If
Yes,
you want
my
to
lord.
rebut, then we'll adjudicate.
My lord.
But if the statement was not there
Right.
and he was making an oral statement, we would have asked him to put it on affidavit, which is already done.
Right.
Okay.
My lord, there is one urgency, my lord. I am the contextual service holder and my service is Borak bill. Next date was fixed on 14 November, my lord. And difficult for me for appear before the trial court. For that, till next date, my lord, can it be interim
No,
relief, my lord?
it was not given on the first date. We'll see. When was it moved? 9/9. Okay.
9/9.
You are, I Hussain.
AK Azad, my lord.
Heard three. AK Azad Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri KK Das Learned APP, Assam. And Sri
J Islam.
J Islam Learned Counsel who has entered appearance for the respondent number 2.
Right.
Full stop. Para. Office note dated 5/11/2024 reflects that in spite of reminder, the scan copy of the case records of FC criminal case number 356 of 2023 are yet to be received. Para. Registry to take urgent steps in this regard. Para. Sri Islam has also submitted that he will file necessary objections. Para. List on
Before 14, my lord, if possible, my lord, before 14.
before
14/11,
14 is not possible.
not possible.
He has to file the objection. List on 25th of November. So as to enable the respondent number 2 to file objection and also for receipt of the scan copy of the LCR.
Most of it.
On my lord, next date, my lord, interim, my lord, may be cleared, my lord. You lost a kindly observation, my lord. But this is for
We'll
survival,
like
my
to
lord.
have your words in whether you are remarried or not.
Yes, my
Not
lord.
intimidate, my lord. They are
No, I have annexed marriage agreement.
they have
The
to-
second marriage
you
agreement I
state-
have annexed. with the
notary
petition, my
agreement,
lord.
my lord, they are, my lord,
And-
producing. Notary, not is not authority
Well,
for
For a moment,
proving the marriage,
page
my lord.
17,
You
my
state
petition.
this in an
My lord, I will file objection, my lord. However, interim is, my lord, for survival, my lord. My lord, that is why, my lord, they must to clear.
Still, she is residing with her second husband.
No, my
Page
lord.
17 of
No.
my petition, my lord.
Nothing is, my lord, on record, my lord. Nothing is on record. Record is that there is a marriage agreement, my lord. Notary. Notary is not authorized person. So, my lord, interim
Mr.
at least to
Islam,
be clear.
even the document is not necessary. If he has made a statement that you have remarried, you have to rebut it.
Maybe, but I have
Not necessarily
objection.
what
I am
he-
not
he-
saying
he-
so.
Are you expecting him to get all the documents of a marriage?
No, my lord, I
If
am
it was
not.
not even authorized, if it's a marriage,
My
a
lord,
social kind of a marriage,
And-
well,
my
are
lord-
you residing with another person with as husband and wife? That is the statement. You rebut it.
my lord, I will
If
file
you are
objection, my lord.
seriously interested in getting interim maintenance, rebut that statement.
So, loss is right, my lord. But so far, my submission is, my lord, limited to, my lord, clearance of interim, my lord.
You
Earlier, my
file your
lord.
affidavit.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
You, if his allegations are correct, you have remarried, you also want the money from him.
No, no, that
You
is not.
cannot have the cake and eat it too.
I am not praying. No, my lord.
Both you cannot have.
No, no, I am
Oh,
not
one
praying.
line submission, my lord.
Next.
Yes.
No, next date.
Most
Obliged.
obliged, my lord.
Mr. Borbia, what is this?
My lord, as per earlier order, my lord, we have taken step, my lord, to respondent.
have not been received. You have not taken steps.
My lord, my lord, office note kindly have a look, my lord.
Yes, 4th and notice was issued, office note 611, you have not received, taken steps. Why? Steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 have not been received by the concerned section till date.
Sorry, my lord.
Office note dated 6/11/2024 reflects that steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 is yet to be taken. Full stop. Such steps were required to be taken. Pursuant to an order dated 4/10/2024. Para 3 Borbhuya, A.M. Borbhuya, learned counsel, prays for and is granted 3 days time to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2. Para list after 6 weeks along with service report. Para 3 K.K. Das, learned APP is present for the state respondent.
Obliged.